What if I told you that age is just a number when it comes to your skin? Let's explore the secrets to the timeless beauty and how you can keep your skin looking youthful for years to come. Hey, I'm Dr. Jasmine here from Skin Hands Clinic in Patiala. Today, we're focusing on how the skin ages and the top treatments that can help you reverse these visible signs such as wrinkles, fine lines, loss of firmness for the smoother and more youthful skin. Understanding the aging process. Our skin is a remarkable organ, but like everything else, it ages over time. Here are some primary factors that contribute to the skin aging. First is intrinsic aging. This is a natural, genetically determined aging process. As we age, our skin's collagen elastin production slows down, leading to the loss of firmness and elasticity. Second is extrinsic aging. This type of aging is caused by external factors, primarily the sun exposure. UV rays damage the skin's collagen and elastin, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and age spots. And other extrinsic factors include smoking, pollution, poor diet, etc. The visible signs of aging. As our skin ages, we may notice fine lines, wrinkles. These are caused by the breakdown of collagen and elastin, loss of firmness and elasticity. This leads to sagging skin, especially around the jawline and the neck. Age spots. These are caused by sun damage and appear as dark spots on the skin. Dryness. As we age, our skin's oil glands produce less oil, leading to dryness. The science behind the skin aging treatments. Now let's explore the most effective treatment to combat these signs of aging. First is retinoids. These vitamin A derivatives stimulate the collagen production and cell turnover, reducing the wrinkles and improving the skin texture. Second is peptides. These molecules signal the skin to produce more collagen and elastin. Third is antioxidants. These protect the skin from the damage caused by the free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage the cells. Fourth is hyaluronic acid. This naturally occurring substance hydrates the skin, plumping up the fine lines and wrinkles. Then there are some in-office procedures. First is neuromodulators, Botox and Dysport. These injections relax the muscle that cause the wrinkles, smoothing the skin. Second is dermal fillers. These injectable fillers add the volume to the skin, filling in the wrinkles and restoring the lost volume. Third, chemical peels. These treatments exfoliate the skin, removing the dead skin cells and revealing the younger looking complexion. Fourth is laser resurfacing. This procedure uses laser energy to remove the top layer of the skin, stimulating the collagen production and reducing the wrinkles and scars. Fifth is microneedling. This minimally invasive procedure creates tiny punctures in the skin, stimulating the collagen production and improving the skin texture. Choosing the right treatment. The best treatment for you will depend on your individual needs and goals. During a consultation, your doctor will assess your skin and recommend the personalized treatment plan. Prevention is the key. While treatments can help reverse the signs of aging, prevention is always the best approach. Here are some tips to keep your skin looking young and healthy. First is protect your skin from the sun. Wear sunscreen daily, even on the cloudy days. Second, quit smoking. Smoking damages the skin and accelerates the process of aging. Third, eat healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants can help protect your skin. Fourth, get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for your skin repair and regeneration. Fifth, manage stress. Stress can contribute to the premature aging, so find healthy ways to manage it. Conclusion: skin aging is a natural process, but with the right treatments and lifestyle habits, you can slow down the aging process, maintain a youthful appearance. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your skin. If you're concerned about the signs of skin aging, schedule an appointment with us at Skin Hands Clinic in Patiala. We'll create a personalized treatment plan to help you achieve your skin goals. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and advice.